Welcome dear students, 8th class math book, new edition, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.2, and we will do the last 4 questions of this exercise. So watch and listen to the video very carefully, note down the answers, but later on do practice doing the questions yourselves. So let's get started. Very easy questions, and the common instruction is solve the following equations or solve the following linear equations. So question number 7 is 3 within bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 within bracket 2 plus 1. So this is given to us, and what we do is first thing is to do is open the brackets. So 3 into t 3t, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 5 into 2 10, so 10t, and 5 plus 1 is 5 into 1 is 5, so plus 5. Now readjusting the variable terms and the constant terms. By convention, we keep the variable terms on the left hand side and constant terms on the right hand side. So transposing minus 9 to right hand side and 10t to left hand side, we get 10t becomes negative and minus 9 becomes positive. So 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9. Now 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So 3t minus 10t becomes minus 7t, and 5 plus 9 is 14. So 7t is equal to minus 14. We can transfer this negative sign from left hand side to the right hand side. So thus t is equal to minus 14 upon 7. 7 1 the 7, 7 to the 14. So t is minus 2. Next question. Question number 8. Same instruction. So here we have more terms, 3 terms, and the right hand side is 0, but it does not make any difference. So the procedure of solving the questions is same. First of all, we open the brackets. So 15 into y, 15y, 15 into minus 4, minus 60, minus 2y. When the sign here, preceding sign is minus, and within bracket is minus, then you got to be careful. So minus and minus become plus. So minus 2y and minus 2 into minus 9 become plus 18. So plus 18 plus 5 into y, 5y, 5 into 6, 30, plus 30 is equal to 0. So we readjust the terms, we put the like terms together. So like terms are y, y, and y. So 15y minus 2y plus 5y, constant terms we put together, minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18y, and 30 minus 60 is minus 30, minus 30 plus 18 is minus 12. So minus 12 is equal to 0. So y, 18y is variable term, minus 12 is constant term. So we transpose minus 12 constant term to the right hand side. So transposing minus 12 to right hand side, it becomes plus here. So 18y is equal to 0 plus 12. So 0 plus 12 is 12. So y is equal to 12 upon 18. So 6 is the common factor between the two, between the numerator and the denominator. 6 to the 12, 6 3 the 18. So y is equal to 2 upon 3. Next question. Question number 9. So 3 within bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 within bracket 9z minus 11 is equal to 4, 8z minus 13 minus 17. So as usual, we open the brackets first. 3 into 5 is 15, 15z. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. So minus 2 into 9z becomes minus 18z. Minus 2 into minus 11 become plus 22 is equal to 4 into 8, 32z. Minus 4 into 13 becomes 52, minus 52, and minus 17 is independent. Okay, it is outside the bracket. So be careful not to multiply 17 with 4. So now 15z minus 18z becomes minus 3z, and minus 21 plus 22. So 22 minus 21 is plus 1 is equal to 32z, and minus 52 minus 17 becomes minus 69. Now transposing this constant term plus 1 to the right hand side and transposing this 32z variable term to the left hand side. So it becomes minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 32 becomes minus 35z, and minus 69 minus 1 become minus 70. Minus sign on the left hand side cancels out the minus sign on the right hand side. So z is equal to 70 upon 35. 35 on the 35, 35 into 2 is 70. So z is equal to 2. Okay, last question now. Question number 10. 0.25 bracket 4f minus 3. So now they have given you numbers which involve decimals. So decimals, the probability of making errors becomes more. So you got to be extra careful. So 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 within bracket 10f minus 9. So 0.25 into 4. Now you see 25 into 4 is 100. So there are two digits after the decimal. So it becomes 1.00, 1 to 1.00 f. Okay. Then minus 0.25 into 3 becomes 0.75 because 25 into 3 is 75, and there are two digits after decimal place. So 1, 2, 0.75. Now 0.05 into 10. So when you multiply by 10 or powers of 10, there is only one zero. So when you multiply by 1 0, the decimal shifts one digit to the right. So it becomes 0.5 into f, 0.5 f, minus 9 into 5 is 45, and there are two digits after decimal, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 0.45. Now 0.5f is the variable term and 0.75 is the constant term. So we do the transposing minus 0.75 to the right hand side and 0.5f to left hand side. So it becomes 1.00f minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Now 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 0.5f is equal to, now 75 minus 45 is 30. So 0.75 minus 0.45, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. So 0.3. So f becomes 0.3 upon 0.5. Here also numerator, there is only one digit after decimal, and in the denominator also there is one digit after the decimal. So we can straight away, without making any adjustment, we can remove the decimals. So this becomes 3 upon 5. So you can let the answer be here up to here 3 by 5. That also will be considered as correct. And if you want to reduce it to decimal, you can reduce it as 0.6 because 5 6 the 30. So 0.6 or 3 by 5 is the answer. So dear students, these were questions 4 to 7 of exercise 2.2, and with this video we come to the end of not only this exercise but also the chapter linear equations in one variable. So very soon we will come up with the videos on the next chapter, understanding quadrilaters. So goodbye till next video. Thank you very much.